In this look, I'll be using Moonlit Pearl Glow Powder, a luminous powder balm that glides on weightlessly to illuminate the eyes and face. I'm using an eye basic brush to gently highlight around the eyes. In a soft pressing motion, I'll apply the Mermaid eye mat in Lion to the eyelid area using an eye basic brush. Perles in Argent is a bold metallic liquid liner. It's highly pigmented and really captures the light. With just a couple sweeps across the top lash line, you create a festive, lit look for your eyes.